Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I will walk you through all the steps in detail on how to buy a PayPal log and use it without being caught. Before I start though, I have to say that this video is for entrainment purposes only. I do not endorse any kind of scamming and I am not responsible for anything you guys do with the info I'm going to give you. So first of all, you will need to go on the App Store and look for a PayPal logs vendor. If you don't have one, don't worry, because in my Discord server I sell them for half the price you can find anywhere else. So join the Discord in the description. After you buy a log, you will obviously have to log in the account, but before you do that, you will get a sock and a tunnel, also named VPN, to make sure that when you log in, the guy you stole the account from doesn't know where or who you are, making it impossible to get caught. You can get the sock and the VPN online. They don't have to be really good ones as long as they do the job. So I recommend you don't spend too much money on them if your budget is low. After you got the sock and the VPN setup done, you can finally log in the account PayPal with the credential you bought from your vendor. But make sure you don't send money or buy anything for a couple of days. I usually wait 2 or 3 days before doing any kind of transaction so that PayPal gets used to your fake IP address. Even after a couple of days, don't send any large amount of money or buy anything expensive. You gotta warm your account up first, so I recommend you send a couple dollars to charity or buy a drink. Spend like $5 to $10 a day for a week, and not more so that when you'll eventually buy something really expensive, PayPal doesn't question the transaction. Now that PayPal is used to your account, you may ask what to do to order stuff online without your address being shown. To do that, I recommend you simply use a non-residential address like a post office, where you can just say the name on the package to collect it, or an abandoned house that still has a valid address. Even if you do order a package to your house, PayPal hides the address. But better be safe than sorry. But how do you send the money in the log to yourself without being caught? It's very important that you don't send the money from the account you stole to your personal one, since if you do that, it's easy to find you. What you need to do is to buy cryptocurrency with the PayPal account in a platform that lets you buy cryptos with PayPal. I recommend you use eToro or Coinbase, since those are the ones that I use. If you don't have one already, create an account on the app and connect your bank account, so when you sell the cryptos, the money will go straight in it. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to get a PayPal log and cash it out without getting caught. Don't forget to join the Discord in the description if you have any question to ask me directly, and to check out my other videos on scamming. I hope this was helpful. Frozones out.